I'm about to go deep on some deep learning. Specifically, we're going to talk about what is a neural network. A neural network is very popular in machine learning, and it is basically patterned after the human brain. You have an input layer in the neural network, you have a number of hidden layers, and then you have an output layer. Now, in the input layer, you're taking in raw data. Your hidden layer, all that means is that it has a separation from the raw data. So the input layer is a raw data. That raw data goes into the first hidden layer, which is just the first round of neurons. And neurons are also called nodes. Each neuron in the layer does some sort of mathematical processing. And then once that mathematical processing is complete, on the opposite side of that hidden layer, the data that gets passed to the next hidden layer is called an activation. That activation from the previous hidden layer gets ingested into the next hidden layer in the neural network, and then the process keeps on continuing. Now, a lot of times, the reason why deep learning is called deep is because some of these neural networks can have multiple layers, could be hundreds of layers, for example. That's why it's called deep learning. And as you get to the end of the neural network, to the output layer, that's where that neural network makes a prediction on whatever it is you're trying to predict. For example, let's say you were doing computer vision, like image recognition, and on the input layer, you put in a picture of me, for example, like an image of me, and then there would be multiple layers that would go through, and depending on what that neural network was designed to do, let's say it was trying to determine whether or not I had a beard, right? So it's going to go through multiple layers and look for certain things based on how it's trained. And at the end of it, on the output layer, it's going to make a prediction, and hopefully it's going to say, hey, this dude here has a beard. So that's neural networks in a nutshell. Hope you understood it, and let me know if you have any questions.